Hey, it's Chef Wannabe Jeff, all the way from BC. We're gonna ball up a little bit of lobsters today for New Year's Eve from 2009. We've got here two beautiful BC lobsters, just relaxing here in the water. And I've already made my stock, which is actually a nice boil up of some onions, some garlic, some shallots, and I've got some butter just melted in there. So that's being done right now. Alright, it looks like it's time to put in the lobsters. The rolling ball right now. So right here I am doing the one hand thing where lobsters are being transferred into the pot. Number two going in right now. Put the lid on, and we've got 14 minutes. Right, we're back again, and we still have got 11 minutes to go. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a little bit of the butter dip. My butter is getting there. I'm going to give it a slight stir. Yep. We've got still 4:52 on the clock. Hey guys, it's Chef Wannabe Jeff once again. New Year Eve 2009. We've got some good lobsters, the BC lobsters cooking in the stove right here. And as I said, we have timed it for 14 minutes, and now looking at the clock, it's run down to 2, 3. Ta-da! The lobster looking good, looking good. So I'm gonna take it out, and as you can see over there, we got the melted butter ready to go. Lobster number one, big guy here. Still pretty hot. Turn it around. Cut the head up too. Alright. Coming up here. So we've got a beautiful lobster here presented. Now, lobster number two. Okay, lobster number two, ready to go. Yeah, got that cracked. So the juices are draining. Look at that. Claw number one. Claw number two. Yep, right in the middle. Turn around. Yeah. Beautiful lobster. Then grab across the head. Yep. There you go. Beautiful. 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 The meat inside. Nice falling off. Lobster. Time to eat. Hey, look at that. Game over. Game over, lobster. Thank you very much.